This town's only big enough for the one of us. And that's me. Pietta, 1851, Colt Navy clone, 7.5 inch barrel. This one is in 44, although the originals were in 36. I just shot this one a bunch today, so check out some of the other shorts that I have on my channel. And I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification, that way you know anytime I have a new video coming out. I do a lot of cowboy shooting videos and some other videos too, but yeah, so please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.